What's happening right now in Soundhound?
Let's see what's going on after this gap to the upside. Very interesting. Let's talk about it. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Very interesting. We are approaching that level of $4 and $5 more or less, that area that in the past acted as a double top right here. We can clearly see. We will talk about it just right now. That technical analysis. Very interesting data. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about it. How do you think it will act if we reach that level, or do you think we will go lower? From here, let's start that debate and let's get started.
Yeah, we are 23% away from this resistance level, the most important one in this stock. But remember, this stock engages in the development, owning, and commercialization of voice, sound, and natural language artificial intelligence technology. So this is very interesting stock because if we take consideration about the future of the market, about the best companies you can think of, normally AI companies are the most the favorite ones, for investors all around the world, analysts, everything.
Yeah, it's a lot of hype around this sector right now. So obviously this could be the reason behind that gap. If you know something about it, let us know in the comments below. We are always happy to learn from you and we can all share together that information and learn one from others. Welcome to Trading HT. That's why we want to create this trading community of honest traders. Welcome again. Thank you very much. And let's see the technical analysis right here. Very interesting what happened with this stock since the start. We had an upside movement more or less of almost 200%. Very interesting, to $18 more or less. And from there, we had a correction to the downside. Wow, very dramatic, more than 94%. Very volatile, a lot of risk right there. We had a very simple strategy working. We had this breakout right here of the support resistance area. From there, the price skyrocketed very fast, almost 200% to the upside, creating this type of double top. We had another breakout right here of the support line resistance, sorry, the support line ascending right there. Then we had a movement to the downside. Let's see the percentage. Another huge crash of more than 50% from that level. And from there we had another breakout once again. Very simple strategy, that worked right there. And the upside from here to the current levels was more or less 125%. But very interesting. But also I want to mention, this seems very simple right now, but trading it live, it wasn't as simple as it seems. A lot of volatility, a lot of risk. So be very careful if you trade it because this is like backtesting seems easier than it is trading live.
Yeah, it's not like trading Apple. This stock it can go down like 80%, one day 100%. So very volatile situation. You have to think in advance the strategy, risk management, everything. Let's take a look at the volume profile because maybe we can gather some data about the current price levels.
Yeah, let's see. Very interesting. A lot of volume. We can clearly see that the most traded volume was obviously around between the level of 1.60 more or less and the 2.40 area. Wow, very interesting. And from there, we had that gap. Very interesting.
Yeah, exactly. Right now we are, according to this indicator, it's like we should be trading around $2 right now, and the thing is like we are trading double. So obviously maybe there is some risk, inherent risk right there because obviously you buy at the top and look at that. Look at the previous tops that we have right here. According to this pattern, it should go down like the previous ones, but obviously there is still some round right here. We're talking about this 20% to the 460, but something that you had to analyze all indicators. You had to analyze the volume profile, you had to analyze the forecast for investors, indicators, the SMA. The more information you gather, the better decision making you get.
Yeah, what do you think about it, guys? What type of indicators do you use? What type of predictions do you make based on fundamentals, only technical? Let us know in the comments below so we can all learn together from that. And also we have the next earnings and revenue. I think they are announced for the Tuesday 5th of March, this next month. So keep tuned. We will talk about it when they release those earnings and revenue. Maybe we see something interesting right there. And we could see that breakout happening, and we could also see the price going lower. This is trading, everything can happen, so be prepared for that. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think we will see this kind of scenario with the breakout to the upside? Do you think the price will reach that level again and go lower from there as it happened in the past with this double top pattern? Or do you think we will go lower from here directly? Let us know, and let's go with the forecast because right there we can see another opinions.
Yeah, look at that. We have C analysts from Wall Street, and all of them they think it's a strong buy, which is not that common. To see like a stock that is in negative losses, and all of them think this is a very very good stock.
Yeah, exactly. We normally have more analysts, just six, I think, are very few to have, like that complete idea of what the analysts are thinking in Wall Street.
Hmm.
But this is positive for them. So let's see how it goes. We will keep you updated. As we mentioned, this is just like another opinion that you can have into account. But obviously, at the end of the day, you are the one trading your own capital.
Exactly.
So you have to take your own decisions right there. Very interesting to know why are you taking those decisions. I think that being a critical trader and knowing why you make those decisions is very key.
Do your own research. We can, we don't tell you exactly what to do. Actually, what we give you is some tools, that you can use. But the decision is made by you, and you have to analyze exactly things like the net income, the prospect, the future of the company, the expectations, everything, and then the risk, because obviously this is a very volatile stock. In this particular one, we're talking about, like, as we said before, like incredible runs of more than 200%, but also the downtrend. Remember the first one, it was minus 95%. So this is very risky.
Exactly. Be prepared for everything in trading as usual, but in this type of stocks, even more because the volatility is huge. There are plenty of opportunities in the market. So remember to have that good trading psychology, follow your trading strategy, respect yourself. We have a trading affirmations video. We will leave the link below in the comments. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. More than 1,100 subscribers. Wow, guys, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.
Bye bye.